All right, so on day 4 on our precise language, we're going to work on pages 5 and 6 together, okay? So open the packet to page 5 and 6. So we're going to do 5 and 6 together. All right, so here's the precise language packet. Go to page 5. Here it is. So again, we have the precise word for little, petite, undersized, puny, microscopic, miniature, and then teeny. So it says rewrite each sentence, replace the word little with one of the synonyms from above. So the little kitten stayed close to his mother. Is that petite, undersized, puny, microscopic, miniature, or tiny? Or teeny? Probably the teeny, huh? So go ahead and rewrite the sentence. Instead of little, I'm going to use what? The teeny kitten stayed close to its mother. How about the other one? The tracks on the model train go through a little town. Yeah, it's a smaller version of a regular town, right? Of the model train go through a miniature. I think that's how you spell it, right? How you spell it? Like that? A miniature town. All right, do those. All right. The next, we just have these two. We already talked about it. That we said that instead of little, we're going to use what again? Petite. So the petite woman could barely see over the steering wheel of the truck. Little germs are what makes us sick. What would I use little germs? Microscopic. Because I would need a microscope, get it, to look at little germs. It's MICRO, right? What else? PIC, like that? Microscopic germs are what make us sick. Cool. All right. That's page 5. Then we're going to go on to page 6. All right, let's move on to page 6. Okay, which word is not a synonym for little? Puny? Microscope or microscopic? Which one is not? Microscope. Okay? Microscope, because that's a thing. Which word would you use to describe a small woman? Petite. It's letter B. Good. Which synonym best describes a flea? Huh? Teeny, like a little spider. Teeny. Which sentence contains the best underlined word for little? Okay. Craig painted the undersized drawbridge in his model of a castle. Undersized? No. He painted the microscopic drawbridge. No. He painted the petite drawbridge. No. He painted the miniature drawbridge on his model of a castle. Okay. Miniature is just a smaller version of the actual thing. Okay. So D would be best. And then 5. Which sentence contains the best underlying word for little? The puny kitten needed to be fed. The petite kitten needed to be fed. The miniature kitten needed to be fed, or the microscopic kitten needed to be fed. Probably A would be the better one. The miniature? Well, unless he was really, really, really tiny, like this. Well, if you're watching the video, you can't see, but like, tiny.